In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called Caffeine Keep Screen On. It has to be from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Hit OK. Tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on and go into Tab menu. Now you need to edit your shortcuts by tapping on this pen at the top right corner, selecting Edit under Full option, looking for your shortcut at the bottom and add it to your current ones. Place it wherever you want to, hit Done at the bottom, go back to your Tab menu and finally click on your new shortcut to tap on this switcher next to Allow Permission. Then go back to Tab menu one last time and click on your shortcut this time to activate it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!